tips for making a pet-friendly bed. Add a mattress pad and pillow protectors. They are easy to clean and add an extra layer of protection for your bigger investment pieces. Neatly add a set of our Tencel sheets. These are durable and less likely to snag under claws due to the tight sateen weave. Style with a smooth patterned duvet cover. It's the most snag resistant under claws and easier to remove hair quickly with a lint roller. Layer with our durable leather cotton quilt to protect your cover. Stack your Euro pillows in front of your sleeping pillows to protect from pet hair. Finish the look with our Cashmere Touch fleece blanket. It's easier to clean and will protect all the bedding beneath.